everyone, I am B.S. Kwal. I welcome to all of you in my channel Learning India. Today's topic, how to use do, does and did. How to use do, does and did. As first, you must know what is the do, does, did. ये do, does, did क्या है? This is the helping verb. This is the helping verb. This is the main helping verb. We always confuse, students always confuse how to use do, does, did. I go, I read, I play. He reads, he plays. I read, I played, I jumped. Suppose we are going to ask the question, anybody, your friends, to how we put the helping verb. So that is a lot of problem to do. I am going to sharing very good knowledge for you about you, and you should be listen carefully and then you understand very well. Use of do, does and did. I have seen so many students, they are talking but they never use do and does and did. If suppose you are not using do, does, did, so it means your sentence totally will be going wrong. Do is used. Do is used in the first person and second person. Do is used in the first person and second person. Also, I, also we and they also. In interrogative and negative sentence. आपकी समझ में आया? डू का प्रयोग हमेशा प्रश्नवाचक और नकारात्मक में होना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई गो, डू आई गो, यू गो, डू यू गो, वी गो, डू वी गो, दे गो, डू दे गो. नेगेटिव सेंटेंस, आई डोंट गो, आई डोंट रीड. Interrogative, negative. Don't you read? Don't you play? Do not you play? Or do not you read? A long sentence, short sentence. Don't you read? Don't you play? I don't read, I don't read. Now you come the second helping verb, does. Why do you use does? I know many students very good use this helping verb, but many students they don't use, they talk directly. He reads, he eats, he plays. Always put before the word of the helping verb s. Suppose I write, you write. He writes, I write, you write, he writes. And I play, you play, he plays. So suppose he reads, he plays, he jumps. आपने पूछा, वो कूदता है, वो खेलता है, वो दौड़ता है. मोहन कूदता है, मोहन दौड़ता है, सीता पढ़ती है. आपको पूछना है क्या सीता पढ़ती है, क्या मोहन पढ़ता है. तो प्रॉपरली you must be sentence will become does he read, does he play, does he jump, does he play, does he. S will be removed from the word. He reads, does he play? S will be removed. Now you come in the did. Did is very important. This did is used all the person. Do you know very well how many person please? First person, second person, third person. First person I, we, second person you, and third person he and she. Also name also person's name. Monsoon, Aram, Sita. So did is used past indefinite. Did is used past indefinite and in interrogative and negative sentence. In interrogative and negative sentence. For example, I went, you went, he went. 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 Second form of the verb. यदि आपको सेकंड फॉर्म नहीं आता है गो का, तो आप इंग्लिश बिल्कुल नहीं बोल सकते हैं, पर आपका इंग्लिश बोलने में दिक्कत आ जाएगी. You will be feel lot of problem for speaking. You are reading 10 years, 15 years, but you never use like this sentence. That's why I am teaching properly to all of you. You listen and you think in your mind. They use all the person in past indefinite. For example, I went, you went, he went. मैं गया, तुम गए, वह गया. क्या मैं गया, क्या आप गए, क्या वह गया. हिंदी में तो हमेशा क्या ही आता है, क्या 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 किस वो दूसरा वर्ड आता नहीं है. इंग्लिश में तो सारे वर्ड है. इज माने क्या, कैन माने क्या, दो अर्थ होते हैं. इसका दो अर्थ है, 2 मीनिंग्स. डिड माने किया, डिड माने क्या. दिस इज़ द फॉरेन कंट्री लैंग्वेज. हमको इसी हिसाब से पढ़ना है जैसे वो लोग बोलते हैं. हमको ज़्यादा नकल भी नहीं करना, ऑटोमेटिक आपके मुंह में आ जाएगा. ओके, नाउ यू आर गोइंग द क्वेश्चन. आप प्रश्न पूछ रहे हैं, क्या आप गए, क्या मैं गया, क्या हो गया. डिड आई गो, डिड यू गो, डिड आई गो, आई डिड नॉट गो, यू डिड नॉट गो, ही डिड नॉट गो. शॉर्ट फॉर्म in interrogative negative. Did you not go, did you not go, did I not go, did he not go. I didn't go, you didn't go, he didn't go. Interrogative negative. Did you not go, didn't you go, didn't you go, didn't I go, or didn't he go. Okay, now you can please in the speaking language, in the speaking, when you are going to speak English, so please always use short form. As first time you have to read properly sentence, clearly sentence, long sentence. After, when you will be speaking English fluently with anybody, you don't need to speaking very long sentence, very short sentence. You have to speak. For example, I don't go to school. I don't go to school. I am going to ask anybody, don't you go to school? He responds me, I don't. I talk to him, don't you, I don't, don't you, I do. Understand all of you. हमको ऐसा नहीं बोलना, आप कहाँ जा रहे हो, मैं स्कूल को जा रहा हूँ. नहीं, शॉर्ट सेंटेंस. अभी तो फॉरेन कंट्री वाला बोलता है, बहुत ही शॉर्ट में बोलते हैं वो लोग, इसलिए उनका जो लैंग्वेज होता है बहुत फास्ट होता है. उनका जो लैंग्वेज जो हमें मालूम पड़ता है बहुत तेज बोले, बहुत तेज नहीं बोलते वो लोग, वो बहुत शॉर्ट फॉर्म में बोलते हैं, इसलिए हमारे समझ में नहीं आता. नो प्रॉब्लम फॉर दैट. हम अपने स्टाइल से बोलेंगे. वी आर द इंडियन, वी टॉक अवर मदर टंग स्टाइल. व्हाई कॉपी टू अदर लैंग्वेज. ओके, डज. Does he going? He does not going. आपको बोला नहीं. He doesn't. He doesn't. क्या वो नहीं जाता है? Does he not going to school? No. Doesn't he? He does. वो जाता है. He does. Okay. He does. That's fine. Now you come did. I did not go to school yesterday. I did not go to school yesterday. मैं कल स्कूल नहीं गया था. मैं आपसे पूछूंगा दोबारा, क्या आप कल स्कूल नहीं गए थे? डिड यू नॉट गो टू स्कूल यस्टरडे? वो बोलता आई डिड नॉट गो टू स्कूल यस्टरडे. आई विल स्पीक वेरी शॉर्ट. डिडंट यू? डिडंट यू? ही सेड आई डिडंट. डिडंट यू? आई डिडंट. व्हाई डिडंट यू? व्हाई डिडंट यू? आई डिडंट. व्हाट इज द कॉज? व्हाट इज द कॉज? नथिंग कॉज. Okay, like this. Okay, so please, I have talked to all of you how to use do, does, did. How to use do, does, did. Do is used in the first person, second person, also we in interrogative and negative. Does is used only he, she, and also a person's name in interrogative and negative sentence. And when you want to speak did, did is all the person in past indefinite, interrogative and negative sentence. आपको इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए प्रैक्टिस करना है. ये डू, डज, ये जितना सारा को फॉलो आप बोलते जाएंगे, ये ऑटोमेटिक आपको आता जाएगा. जिस तरह से आप साइकिल चलाना जानते हैं, शुरू में आप गिरे होंगे, फिर उठे होंगे, फिर गिरे होंगे, फिर उठे. एक समय ऐसा आया, ऑटोमेटिक साइकिल भी पहले अपने आप चल रहा है, आपका कोई इधर फोकस सीधा जा रहा है. सेम इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. सीखने वाला सिर्फ एक विद इन अ मंथ, जिसने कभी इंग्लिश नहीं बोला वो भी सीख जाएगा, और नहीं सीखने वाला सालों वर्षों लग जाए तब भी नहीं सीखेगा। तो प्लीज़ आई रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू, माय डियर गाइस, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, I welcome to all of you, and please everything you have to write down your notebook, and you should be follow everything. Thank you. Welcome to all of you. Goodbye.